We've got a parent div here. This parent div has got 3 child divs. Each child div has their own child div as well. If we want to select every div wrapped inside the parent div, including child div and grandchild div, then we need to just locate the parent div first. Then we add the tag name div behind it. But if we only want child div and don't want grandchild div, then we need a larger than sign. The parent method can get you the parent element. Naturally, the children method can get you all the child elements. You can also use the children method together with the filter and not method. The children method itself accepts argument value. For example, you can use the first selector to get the first child element. You can also use the EQ selector to select child elements based on their index. Apart from the EQ selector, you can also use the EQ method. Like we said before, jQuery likes a backup plan. Apart from the children method, jQuery has developed a series of child element filter selectors. Using them, we can directly select child elements. Child element filter selectors also start with a colon. If you want the first li tag, you can use the first child selector. Likewise, if you want the last li tag, you use the last child selector. The child element filter has a rather unique character. You must specify the tag type of the child element. For example, we select the UL tag by its ID. Then we add the first child selector. We can see the child element filter type does not work because we haven't specified the child element type. Between the ID and the first child selector, we need to add the li tag to clearly specify that we want li type tags. Now it works. The first child li tag has been selected. But if we put a p tag before the first li tag, you'll find that the first li tag will not be selected either. This is the peculiar part with the child element selector. The first child element must match the specified tag type. This can be rather annoying sometimes, therefore when the child elements are of different types, you're recommended to use the children method. The children method will ignore the type of child elements.